Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be sharing the concluding process of registering a business name on the CAC website. So if you're new here, I'm Jonathan, your tech informant, and please subscribe if you have not subscribed, and also click the notification bell so that each time I release useful videos like this, you'll be notified. Before I continue, I would like to make a disclaimer. I'm not an employee or an agent of the commission. I'm just doing this video purely for tutorial purposes. So if this is the first time you are watching this video, I made a previous one before where I explained how you can search for the availability of your business name and also register as a user and reserve that business name for registration. So in this video, we are going to focus on the registration part of the process. This will cost you 5,000 Naira, which will be ending on the 31st of March 2019. The commission is giving a 50% reduction on business name registration, so you can catch on that. Then again, if you want to check out their website, you can check on the link I dropped below. When you click it, it will take you to their business registration portal where you can start all this process. So don't forget to watch the previous video, which the link will be appearing somewhere here. So without saying much, let's dig in. While editing this video, I received a mail from the Corporate Affairs Commission informing me that the company registration application had been approved and that I should come and pick up the certificate of incorporation at the selected pickup location. That was very fast. I least expected such quick response. So I'll be sharing my experience with you. So if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I release the video. So click on the login button and log in your details. That will take you to the dashboard where you click on the reserve button. So you click on the approval note of the particular business name you want to register. That will open the approval note. Then you copy the availability code. This code will be using it in the next step. So here you click on register a company. That will take you to the new company registration. Then you paste your availability code here, and that will populate the page with your details. So if everything is correct, you click start registration. So that will take you to your business details. Here you put the business commencement date and your company address. When you are done with that, you click save and continue. Then here the particulars of your proprietors will be needed. Automatically your particulars will be added. Then if you have additional proprietor in the business, you add them by clicking the relevant ones, either individual, corporate or minor. Then when you are done with that, you click continue. Then this will take you to nature of business. You select the category of the kind of business you are into, and then also type in the nature of business and then save. So we'll click continue. Then on this page, you'll be required to select the CAC branch where you will want to collect your certificate. And also if you need additional true copies, you specify the additional copies you want, and if you don't need additional copies, you leave those spaces blank and then save and continue. So this will take you to the preview page where you preview your details, and if everything is okay, you now proceed to payment. Then on the payment tab, you click on the remitter button, so that will take you to the remitter payment system where you proceed with your payment. Then on the remitter payment system, you select card if you want to pay with your ATM card, and also put in your ATM card details here and click submit. So an OTP will be sent to your mobile phone, which you will paste on this page. So when you copy it and paste here, you can now click submit OTP. So if your payment goes through, that means your business name registration name will be pending for approval. Meanwhile, you'll be required to upload 4 documents. So here I will show you some of the documents you need to upload. The 4 documents are availability printout, your business name registration form, the one that you have completed, the means of identification, and the 4th one is payment receipt. So I'm going to show you how you are going to get these 4 documents. So the first one, which is the availability printout, to get it you click on reserved and then click on the approval note. So this is your availability printout. You need to print this one. This is the first document you are going to print. Then for the second one, you click on pending approval and then click on the name of your business and then go down to document. Then on document, you now click on the application form for business name. This is the application form that you are going to print out. This is the second document. So this document, you have to fill it, and also don't forget to attach your passport photograph on it. So when you have filled it, you have to scan it back into your system. So this is the second document you are going to upload. Then the third one, go back to your dashboard, click on the pending approval, click on your business name and then click on the payment history and then download the receipt. This is the third document you are going to upload as well. And then the 4th one is your means of identification, either your national ID card, international passport, driver's license, anyone you have, you attach it. So these are the 4 documents that is required of you to upload. So if the 4 documents are ready for upload, so you now go to your dashboard and click the pending approval button and then click on documents of the business name and then click on the document upload service. So this will take you to the document upload services. So here you paste your availability code again, then select the originating office. So you choose a CAC office that is close to you or the one that you would like your document to be processed in. Then you click I'm not a robot, click begin. So that will take you to the document upload history. So here you will now upload the 4 documents. So when you select any of them, like availability printout, you browse to your storage and select the document and attach it. To do this process for business name registration, you browse, take the document and then attach. You see that when you click attach, on the right side where you will have list of attached documents will be populated. So when you are done with this whole process, you have the 4 documents attached. You now click the submit button at the upper right and then click OK to submit it. So when you are done with that, the page will be refreshed. So to confirm the status of the document you have attached, you put your availability code once again, then you select the originating office and then click I'm not a robot. Also click begin. So when you click on the begin button, it will now show you the status of the attached document. So here you can see that the action on the documents are processing. So that means that the document is being processed. So you wait until your application is approved and an email will be sent to you. So I will stop here and wait pending when the commission will send their reply to me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.